The VIVOHOME Vacuum Pump Kit is designed with a die-cast aluminum housing and a composite anti-slip rubber base, making it both lightweight and durable for prolonged use. Its ergonomic grip handle and built-in high-volume cooling fan ensure that users can comfortably and efficiently operate the pump for extended periods. The included manifold gauge set is equipped with large viewing glasses and color-coded pressure gauges, providing precise and clear readings for accurate diagnosis of refrigeration systems. Color-coded hoses made from durable rubber are designed for easy identification and compatibility with various refrigerant types, ensuring a leak-proof seal during use. This kit comes with all necessary accessories such as a single-stage vacuum pump, a bottle of oil, a leak detector, and a gauge set, making it versatile for a range of applications. The VIVOHOME Vacuum Pump Kit is ideal for automotive air conditioning, HVAC work, and refrigeration tasks, offering a high vacuum pull from a compact and portable design.